Welcome back. We're always keeping an eye on new tools, often finding great leads through the AI agent store, actually.
Yeah, it's a good resource.
So today we're looking at something pretty interesting. What happens when your web browser, the thing you use every day, becomes an AI, like a proper AI partner?
Right.
We're talking about Comet, the browser from Perplexity.
Exactly. And it's key to understand this isn't just like a search bar add-on.
Okay.
It's an AI browser built from the ground up, well, on Chromium, but with a totally different goal.
Chromium for stability, I guess, and
Yes.
familiarity.
Pretty much. But the point is, it's designed to be like a personal assistant. Think knowledge workers, students, researchers,
Yeah.
people who need to automate stuff online.
Okay, so more than just search. You mentioned automating. What kind of functionality are we talking about here? Browsing, summarizing pages, maybe?
Yeah, all that, but it goes further. It's about being agentic. That's the term that keeps coming up.
Agentic, right. What does that really mean for you, the user, sitting there with this browser?
It means it can handle tasks that take multiple steps. It doesn't just find info, it acts on it. It can sort of run workflows for you.
Workflows, like what? Can you give an example?
Sure. Think about booking a flight. Not just searching, but handling specific needs like, I need a morning flight, nonstop, under a certain price. Comet can apparently manage that kind of complex sequence.
Okay. That's quite a step up. Or even, I read something about it executing code submissions, like on Leak Code.
Exactly. Tasks that usually involve multiple websites, logins, potentially complex instructions. It aims to handle a lot of that autonomously.
Okay, autonomously. We saw a figure, 77% autonomy. What does that number actually tell us? Is it like 77% reliable?
It's more about the complexity it can handle independently. That 77% suggests it can manage most steps and complex tasks. But crucially, there's still that, 22% gap.
Right.
That's the human check-in. For sensitive stuff, final decisions, payments, it hands back control. It's about balancing the automation with, trust and security.
That makes sense. You wouldn't want it booking non-refundable flights without a final okay.
Definitely not. It saves you the legwork, the research, the comparison shopping maybe, but you press the final button.
Got it. So the community feedback seems pretty strong. People are saying it's a genuine Google replacement. Why is that? Is it just the multi-step stuff?
Well, that's part of it, but it's also about the core search experience.
Mhm.
Perplexity is known for giving concise, sourced answers, right?
Yeah, they cite their source as well.
So Comet brings that directly into the browser experience. Faster answers, less clicking through endless blue links. Users report saving a lot of time just on basic lookups.
Okay, speed and sourcing. But you also mentioned something about flexibility for advanced users.
Right. This is pretty neat. It supports multiple underlying AI models, different LLMs.
Like GPT-4, Claude 3.
Yeah, and Mistral Large, too.
Yeah.
So you, the user, can actually choose which AI engine powers your request.
Why would I want to do that? Does it really make a difference which LLM I use?
It can, yeah, depending on the task. Say you need really rigorous analysis. Maybe you pick one model. If you want something more creative or perhaps better at summarizing, you might switch to another. It gives you finer control over the kind of assistance you get.
Interesting. Tailoring the AI to the job. Okay, so how do people get their hands on this? Is it some exclusive beta?
Nope, it's actually quite accessible. It runs on a freemium model,
Meaning,
free to download and use for everyone. Right now it's on macOS and Windows.
yeah.
They say Android is coming soon. And then, like lots of tools, there are optional paid subscriptions if you want more advanced features or maybe priority access to certain models.
Standard approach then. Free tier to get started.
Exactly.
So wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway here? Is Comet just another browser option or is it something more fundamental?
I think it signals a shift, really. It's pushing the idea of the browser beyond just being a passive window you look through to find things, towards being an active partner that works for you, an autonomous assistant right there, managing information and tasks. It fundamentally changes how you might think about interacting with the web.
A more active collaborative tool. Interesting. Well, if you want to explore other tools that are pushing these boundaries, check out aiagentstore.ai.
Good place to look.
Thanks, everyone, for tuning in today. And hey, if you found this useful, please do take a moment to rate the show. It really helps others find us.
Thanks, folks.